Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Leaf. In this video I'll tell you about common problems and repair costs. For starters, battery degradation, especially in hot climates, expect 10 to 20% capacity loss. Next we've got 12V auxiliary battery, can fail early, especially if not driven often. In the end we've got charging port flap, may stick oil or fail to latch. The repair costs are cabin air filter 25 euros to 40 euros, brake fluid 70 euros to 100 euros, 12-volt battery 120 euros, and most regular maintenance is 200 euros to 400 euros annually. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.